Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is maps and scales. This is also a very easy and short topic of IGCSE and O level syllabus. So in this video I will solve some past paper questions of maps and scales. So let's start from this question. A lake has an area of 3 kilometers square. On a map, the area of the lake is 18.75 centimeters square. Find the scale of the map in the form 1:n. So first of all, I will write the steps of these questions. Step 1, always bring everything to centimeter. Step 2, divide, simplify and form ratio. Okay, so these are the two main steps that we have to follow in these questions. So lake has an area of 3 kilometers square. So we will convert it in centimeter square because this is a universal rule of maps and scales that always our units of maps will be in centimeter. So we will convert kilometers into centimeters. So first of all, let's write here conversion family millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. 10, 100, 1000. So we have to convert 3 kilometer into centimeters. So kilometers into centimeters. So what we will do here? We will multiply it with 100,000. So first of all, the sequence of writing maps and scales is, first of all we will write maps, then actual ratio. So the ratio in maps is 18.75. The area in map is 18.75 and actual is 3, that will be multiplied with 100,000 two times, because we are going to convert it in centimeter square. It means we will multiply 3 with 100,000 two times. So what will be your answer? 18.75 will be 3 into 10 raised to power 10. And now what we will do, as we have to make the form 1:n, so what we will do, 18.75 will be divided with 3 into 10 raised to power 10. Three into 10 raised to power over 18.75, and we will take square root because we are going to convert it in centimeter. Our actual scale will be in centimeter, not in centimeter square. So for converting centimeter square into centimeter, we will take square root here. So our final answer will be 40,000. So we can write it 1:40,000. Okay, so this is the way how we will solve these type of questions. And second type of question, let's solve second type of questions of maths and scales. We will take again a past paper question. Okay, the question is, on a map a lake has an area of 32 centimeters square. The scale of the map is 1:24,000. Calculate the actual area of the lake. Give your answer in kilometers square. So what we will do here, let's start. Map actual, we will make these type of boxes, you can say, just we will write in the form of ratio. Okay, actual is 1:24,000. This is in centimeter, but as we have to convert it in centimeter square, because we are going to find the area. So our scale, we will convert our scale into area, like 1 will be, will take square on both sides, and 24,000 will also be in square. So what we will do here now, on a map a lake has an area. So on a map the lake has an area 32. So we will write here 32, and we are going to find the actual area of the lake. So we will fill this like, we'll fill it like that. So now what we will do, we will do cross multiplication. X will be multiplied with 1, and 32 will be multiplied with 24,000 square. So answer, the answer we will get, we will divide it with 100,000 two times. Because we have to convert it in kilometer square from centimeter square. So we will divide it with 100,000 two times, and if we will put it in calculator, our final answer will be 1.8432. So this is the way how we will solve this type of past paper questions. I will solve one or two more questions. Let's take another question from past papers. Okay. A model of a car has a scale 1:20. The volume of the actual car is 12 meter cube. Find the volume of the model. Give your answer in cubic centimeter. So this is the question of volume. So the same method we will use here. Like we will write here scale actual. So scale is in centimeter. As I told you that scale will always be in centimeter. Map scale is all will always be in centimeter. So we will convert it in meter cube, centimeter cube or meter cube according to the question. Okay, so we will solve this question with the same method. We will write here scale actual. Scale is in centimeter as I told you. So we will convert it in centimeter cube. So we will take cube on both sides and 20 cube. So the volume of the actual car is 12 meter cube. 12, and it is actually in meter cube, so we have to convert it in centimeter cube. So we will multiply it with 100 three times, and we have to find the volume of the model. So what we have to do here, we will do here cross multiplication. So it will be 8000x is equal to 12 x. Okay, and x will be, if this value will be divided with 8000, to the 8, 6 the 12, 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, 1 2 3, 1 the 2, 1500. So x will be 1500 centimeter cube. So we got our answer already in centimeter cube. So what is our final answer? 1500 centimeter cube. Let's do one last example. Okay, this is also a past paper question, as you can see. So the scale on a map is 1:20,000. Calculate the actual distance between 2 points which are 2.7 centimeter apart on the map. So this is also one type of question that can come in your exams. So let's start. Map actual, you will write it like that. In map, ratio is 1:20,000, and calculate the actual distance between 2 points which are 2.7 centimeter apart on the map. So we are going to find the actual distance, and 2.7 is on map. So what we will do, simple cross multiplication. 2.7 will be multiplied with 20,000. So our answer will be 54,000. So as we have to convert it in kilometer, so this is in centimeter. So what we will do, for we will divide it with 100,000, and our answer will be 0.54 kilometer. So this is the way how we will solve all these type of questions. So I hope you have understand this topic, and I hope that you like my video. So if you like it, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, any suggestion, you can leave in comment section. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.